Hey everybody, just decided to do a new thing, and every day I'm going to, or not every day, every week on Saturday, I'm going to be releasing a short video on writing tips. And this one is basically the length of chapters. One thing that that most writers struggle with is how long to keep their chapters. And one thing that writers never think of is to actually ask the people who are going to be reading their book. So what I did is I went on X, or formerly known as Twitter, and I actually asked, do you prefer long chapters or short chapters? And here I'm going to be showing you what most people stated. There was a couple people that stated that they do enjoy long chapters, but the people who said that they enjoy long chapters also stated that short chapters are fine. And I'll show you their responses here. So here you'll see that this gentleman stated that he prefers longer chapters, but the short ones are fine too. It's more about the writing for him. So in the thread that I made on Twitter asking if people like long or short chapters, he was one of two people that actually stated that he likes long chapters. Everybody else stated that they enjoy short chapters, and the other person just stated that they do enjoy long chapters, but they read fantasy books, which has longer chapters anyway, which is actually very accurate. Well, fantasy is one book where if you do enjoy short chapters, you're gonna be frustrated because most fantasy writers can't sum up their scenes in a short chapter because so much happens in fantasy because there's so much going on and there's so much creativity to it. Now, with the people who enjoy short chapters, they tended to stated that they like short chapters because if they ever need to put down the book, they don't like putting the book down in the middle of a chapter. So that's the reason why they stated they like short chapters. And the people that stated that they enjoy short chapters, I was asking them exactly how long would you say a short chapter is? And everyone that was answering was typically stating between 1 and 10 pages. So, if you're wondering how long to keep your chapters, try not to go over 10 pages. And if you're wondering how long a book length page is, the average book length page is approximately 250 to 300 words. So you basically take your chapter word count, and what I would do is divide it by 300. But anyway, that's about it for this video. Like I stated, they're just going to be short videos, just basically stating one writing tip. Today we covered long and short chapters. Let me know what you think in the comments section. I will try and respond to every single comment I get. Like on the video if you haven't subscribed already. Hit subscribe because I will be releasing these every Saturday. The writing tips at least. And they'll be fairly short videos. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you on the next one.